Hey everybody, it's Amber
and Anna,
and we are here for the September's Director's Message. We want to start out with celebrating some birthdays coming up this month. We have Kim at Defiance. Her birthday's on September 7th.
We have Patty, the FA for Paulding Hicksville Northwest State, on September 8th.
Teresa at Pulaski's birthday is September 12th.
Nicole, also at Pulaski, September 21st.
And then we have Tara over at Paulding. Her birthday is September 23rd.
And then a big welcome back to Keir. She's starting back this month.
Lots of well wishes for Keir. We all, those of us who know what it's like being a new mom, it's always such a hard transition to come back to work, but we're excited to have her back. All right, upcoming events for September. The agency will be closed on September 2nd in observation of Labor Day. DECAs will begin on the 4th. 30-day health requirements need to be completed by September 5th. It's already been a month. That's crazy. For those children with those stagger start days and 45-day health requirements, those are going to be due on the 19th. Full day classes, your first early dismissal day will be September 12th. We'd really like some feedback on how those early dismissal days are working for you. Those were planned very specifically to help give you planning time with this condensed 34-hour work week. We want to try and support that as much as possible. So please let us know how that goes. Fall class observations begin September 23rd. Rhonda will be reaching out to schedule those times. This year, the ed team is also going to be providing a reference guide for you guys for class to help you prepare for those observations. They're also going to be meeting with you either in person or via a web conference to discuss the results of those observations. So again, we're hearing you. We want to help support you. And we understand how some follow-up after your class observations would be helpful to you guys.
All right, announcements for this month. Just a reminder that policies and procedures can be found online at NOCAC.org. The forms associated with those policies are also linked underneath the explanation of the policy. So if you have questions about any type of program items, more than likely there's a policy and procedure for it, so please check there first. Many of you have asked for the updated tracking form for bag tags. Good news, you don't need to do those anymore. So unless you really want to track them, we can send you an Excel sheet so you can track them on your own, but we do not need it back here at the CO.
Yeah, the tracking would really be more for your planning, to coordinate those bag tags with your lesson plans. But what we used to track them for, we're no longer doing, so it's not necessary.
Please be sure you are putting the correct absence code for children who are not attending class. This information is used by the service area managers to prepare parent information packets or education that needs to go out to them, and also is used to determine future transportation needs. So please just be sure you're marking as accurately as possible for those absences. And you spoke and we listened at our self-assessment meeting in April. One of the items mentioned was improved communication from service area managers. And as part of that action plan, the service area managers and Amber and I will be making rounds at the sites this year. So we'll be visiting at least once, maybe more. So the first set of schedules for September will be linked in the email so you know when the service area managers will be at your site.
Yeah, it's a great opportunity for you to take a minute out and kind of some of those burning questions or things maybe you've always been curious about but didn't understand at a specific component of the program. It's a great time for you to meet one-on-one with those service area support staff and managers.
The dental van slots are filling up rapidly for October. Just a reminder, Bryan Community Health Center has set aside one day a month just for our Head Start families. So if the slots are completely filled for the dental van, you can also utilize that day at Bryan Community Health Center so your families can go there, or the families can schedule with their preferred provider if they do not want to go to Bryan Community Health Center. The remainder of the pre-service professional development sheets are in the mailboxes. The trainings that were done electronically, there's a spot on the bottom of the sheet for a signature for verifying that it was completed. So managers, please sign those for your staff who have the professional development sheets. If they have one, they have completed it. And that's all I have.
Thanks, Anna. Back to you, Pat. All right, well, that is all we have for you guys for September. Sending you lots of well wishes. We understand the 34-hour work week comes with a lot of changes, a lot of efforts to find those efficiencies to get all the things done while providing high quality services for our children and our family. So please make sure you're reaching out, asking for supports, talking to each other, learning from each other on how to do things the most efficient way. And so just lots of well wishes, and we'll see you guys all soon.
Bye.
Bye.